dkdynamics presents solenoid engine.
Hello friends, welcome to the all new season of dkdynamics. So friends, as you know, I and Rob have come back with some more new and interesting projects. So friends, we all have learned about the electromagnets. If we bind a copper wire around a plastic tube and supply it current, it will behave like a solenoid. So friends, if we insert an iron nail inside this plastic tube, it will get magnetized with the same poles and it is repelled out of the solenoid. So friends, here we are using the crankshaft arrangement. When the nail gets out of the solenoid, the current will turn off and the nail will again move into the solenoid due to the crankshaft arrangement. So friends, due to this motion, the nail is going to move to and fro into the solenoid simultaneously again and again, and it will start behaving like an engine. And this is how we are going to use the linear motion into the circular motion. So friends, here is the solenoid engine which we have made using very easily available components. And friends, in this solenoid engine we have improved the method of switching. So friends, I have seen many videos on YouTube regarding this solenoid engine, but I have found many faults in the methods of the switching, which increases the friction, and the children are not able to make this solenoid engine properly. So friends, we have made a better method of switching so that the friction is reduced to very low and the solenoid engine can work properly. So friends, here is our solenoid engine, and we require some very easily available components to make this solenoid engine. So friends, first of all, for making a solenoid, we require a hollow plastic pen or any plastic tube, and then we require a wire of 28 gauge, and we have to mount about 500 turns on it to make this solenoid. And friends, then we require the diodes to make the full bridge wave rectifier, which is going to convert the AC into DC. And friends, here we require one filter capacitor, and here we require a CD for inertia wheel. So friends, here is our solenoid engine. So friends, here we are using a step down transformer which steps down the AC, and here we have fitted full bridge wave rectifier which is going to convert the AC into DC, and here we have fitted the capacitor, filter capacitor, and here is our solenoid, and we have used the plastic tube and have wound about 400 to 500 turns of the copper wire in it, and here we have fitted the iron nail, and here is the crankshaft arrangement, and here we have used the CD as the flywheel, and here is the method of switching, which is using 1.5 tons of aluminium. So friends, now I'm going to demonstrate you the working of this solenoid engine. So friends, So friends, making of this solenoid engine is very easy using some very easily available components, and you can make it yourself. And this is a prize-winning project, prize-winning school project for the children, and to show an engine which can convert the linear motion into the circular motion. And friends, if you are having any queries regarding this project, you can call us and contact us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and for more new videos please press the bell icon, and friends, don't forget like and share our videos. And friends, thank you.